You've seen the pattern. Coastline, tree branches, lightning bolt, but never knew it had a name. Not random, self-repeating shape at every scale you zoom. Nature is copy and paste across infinity. Fractals. Mandelbrot discovered it in 1975, but Nile River deltas already knew, and the Orlangs already knew. And we have the same mathematics across completely different substrates. Biology, your respiratory system, bronchi split fractally to maximize its oxygen surface area. In cosmos, galaxy distribution follows fractal geometry. Cosmic web at a billion light-year scale mirrors neural networks at millimeter scale. In economics, stock market crashes, price movements self-similar whether you're looking at minutes, at days, or decades. Biology, consciousness technology, cosmos, the same pattern. Linear thinking it is the bottleneck. Fractal thinking is how reality actually builds complexity. And you can't unsee it now.